Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Georgette if you're new to me, and my channel is all about inspiring you, motivating you, and I hope that I can play a role in helping transforming your lives like I have done. I have a lot of videos, and you can watch and you can gain a lot of value from them, yeah? So if you haven't subscribed to me as yet, do not subscribe until after you watch this video, yeah? Smash in the subscribe on the end. Leave me those thumbs up and leave a comment. I like to interact with you guys, yeah? And so today's a topic that I really want to talk about because I too have been there. And this is all about the mentality. Do you have a victim mentality? A lot of people do. People just go around with this victim mentality. Or do you have a victor mentality? You know, in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, he says, a winner never quits on life or anything. And a quitter never can win. And so that's the question I'm asking you. What mentality is it that you have throughout the day? Are you a victim? Or do you have this winner mentality, this victor mentality? You know, I was there at one point, and I want to share with you. You know, at one point I really thought that life was over for me because I put a lot of money, most all my savings, in relocating from where I was living, and I moved to this bigger city where I live now, and I invested all of my monies into my business, and I had to close the doors. The overheads needed to be paid. It was just a whole lot of stuff that went on. And for a time, very short time, I went into the victim mentality. There were days when I did not want to wake up. I did not know where to turn. I brought my daughter here with me. She was 11, I think, and we relocated. And things just crashed. And I thought that was it. Was recently divorced, single, but there comes a time when you got to make a choice in your life. Are you going to continue to be a victim? And I had to make that choice to not be a victim of my circumstances, because circumstances can change at any moment. And that is what a lot of persons are doing. They're being stuck in the circumstances, what's going on right now. A lot of people may be out of jobs. A lot of businesses are closed down. The other day I went to favorite little spot to take. My passport need to be renewed. And when my daughter was home from college for the summer, we went there for her to take her passport photos. And this was she left in August. So it must have been the end of July. And when I went there last week to take passport photos, that business place had closed down. So a lot of businesses are closing down. A lot of persons are out of jobs. But are you going to be a victim to your circumstances that can be changed at any moment with one decision? That's up to you, the individual that's watching me. It's up to you to get up, to shake yourself off, and to decide that where I'm at, it's not where my life is going to end. Where I'm at, no monies, no job, single, with children. It has to be a choice you make. Are you living in the victim mentality? Or are you living a victor's mentality? And that victor winner's mentality is you don't have to have it all to have the mentality. See what I said? I said mentality. Victim mentality or victor mentality. It's here. It's all in the mind. And so you have to make a choice each morning to wake up, to get up. If you don't have a job, get up. The World Wide Web. Learn a skill instead of sitting down and moping and crying and just, why did this happen to me? Oh my Lord, the COVID. We're in the year of the coronavirus, guys, whenever you're watching this video. And so I've seen people just complain and complain. But guys, I can say this to you, as this is going to be a very, very short video, that I made a choice when my doors had to be closed that mind you, I went through a short period in time where I covered my head up when I woke up in the morning. I didn't go to the gym to work out. I didn't do anything. I depleted my savings. And I moved from my home, and I moved to a bigger city. Knew a few people, but didn't really know anybody. Didn't really even know how to get around. And but I had to make a choice, guys. And when I come to you and I talk to you, I am not saying that these things are easy to do, but I'm saying it is a choice that you have to go deep within yourself, and you have to find a reason why that you need to pull yourself together. My reason were my two daughters, that I had to do it for them. And then I had to pull myself out of bed in the mornings, and then I started jogging. And then I started walking. So as you exercise, we know that exercise is good. It relieves stress. And so I started to do that every morning. And then ideas start coming to me. And then I met the senator. And the senator said that I did an event. And he said he liked my work. He liked my demeanor. He liked my staff. And he told me to come up to his office. And it started because I made a choice to get up and to show up, and not show up in a major way, making small steps. I did a video on small habits and rituals, and how over time, how the big goal is achieved. All you have to do is make a small choice. Okay, at this present moment, I lost my job. Okay, at this present moment, someone died. At this present moment, I'm going through a divorce. At this present moment, the coronavirus. At the present moment, I have no money in the account and the bills are due. Are you going to live in that victim mentality? Or are you going to choose to fight through that? Listen, no one's going to come and give you anything. So you may as well just get yourself up. It's you against the world. It's you against you. It's you against you and the world. No one is coming to save you. Believe me. I had to recognize that. And all I did was get up. I took my daughter to school and I would come back home to sleep. But I made a choice to get up. When I dropped her to school, I went on the strip jogging. And then she had track and field after, and I started to meet the parents, and they asked what I did, and I told them, and a lady said she knew someone, and she connected me with someone, and from there it went on. I first had to make a choice to get up out of the bed. And so guys, that's it. A winner never quits. So if you're a quitter, you will never ever win at anything in your life. You will never win. Nothing in this life, a relationship, business, in your family life, with your friends, you will never win in any area in your life. So you can never quit at this life. Even if everything is crumbling, you cannot quit. You are not stuck. You are just at a place for right now where there's no money flowing, there's no job, you lost your job. And so it's just a moment, you're just passing through. And when you get that mentality that you are not stuck, it doesn't matter what has happened. It doesn't matter if you lost everything. You can always rebuild, guys. Believe me, I rebuilt everything back. Yeah. And so, remember, it's your mentality. It's all about the choices. You're going to decide to lay in bed, cover your head, and cry all day. Or you're going to decide, you know what, let me just get up and take a stroll down the road. You never know who you may meet. Opportunities come all the time. Resources are flowing to me all the time. That's one of my affirmations. And so you can choose to live in the victim mentality. But I promise you, you will stay stuck if you don't make a choice. And it doesn't have to be a big choice, just a small choice. Guys, what are you going to do differently today? It takes just a little step forward. I posted something on Instagram. It said every little step forward is progress. It doesn't have to be this big, huge, major thing that you do, you know. And a girlfriend of mine who's in California, she said, Georgette, you're so right. That encouraged me so much. Every little step forward, you're actually still moving. You're not at the stand. So you see how we're moving just little steps? But we're not here anymore. We're out here. And so, guys, I encourage you to not stay stuck. Staying stuck, it's not where you're going to be for the whole rest of your life if you're there now, if you're stuck right now. But choosing to stay there, it's on you. Yeah? And so, guys, that's all I have for you today. I'm heading out jogging right now as we speak. Yeah? So, if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, please subscribe. Smash the subscribe for me. Like, leave a comment, turn your notifications on so you know when I bring these wonderful videos. Yeah, and I'm going to leave some videos popping up, a playlist and everything else. Check out the videos as they're popping up, yeah? So I'm sending you a whole lot of love and light today, guys. So much love. See you on the next video. Mwah! Bye now.